Imagine getting a camper van that looks premium, feels premium, and gives you everything you need, but at a price that actually shocks you in a good way. That's exactly what's happening with the Papion PC 6.0 from Bureyer. People are calling it the cheapest real camper van worth buying. And today, I'm going to show you why. If you've been searching for a compact camper that's easy to drive, affordable, and still feels like an actual home on wheels, this one is going to surprise you. From the outside, the Papion PC 6.0 doesn't try too hard. It's simple, clean, and just looks like a practical, non-nonsense travel van. The body lines are smooth, the windows are well integrated, and nothing screams cheap or fragile. It's the kind of van you can take anywhere, cities, narrow roads, campsites, without feeling like you're driving a big motorhome. But the magic really starts when you slide open the side door. The interior is warm, bright, and honestly far nicer than what you expect at this price. Bureyer has gone with a soft, light color palette that instantly makes the space feel bigger. Even if you've never been inside a camper before, this one feels welcoming the moment you step in. The seating area at the front sets the tone. The swivel seats transform the cabin into a cozy lounge where you can eat, relax, or work. The table is sturdy and the seats are comfortable enough for long evenings inside. It doesn't feel cramped. It feels like a small living room designed for real use, not just for show. Right next to it, the kitchen is compact but extremely practical. You get a 2-burner stove, a good-sized sink, and a countertop that's actually usable. A lot of small campers force you to balance things awkwardly, but not here. The storage drawers slide smoothly, and there's enough space for groceries, cooking tools, and basic appliances. The fridge is just the right size for road trips and weekend getaways. Everything is close, everything is accessible, and not claustrophobic. There's a functional toilet, a compact sink, and a shower you can genuinely use without wrestling the walls. It's simple, but it works perfectly for daily travel. But the part that really makes this camper feel like a home is the rear sleeping area. The bed is comfortable, well supported, and wide enough for 2 people to sleep comfortably. The lighting is warm, the mattress feels good, and the overhead storage is designed so it doesn't get in your way. And below the bed, tons of storage. You can put luggage, camping gear, tools, or even folding chairs without running out of space for long journeys. That's a huge advantage. What I appreciate most about this camper is the balance. It doesn't overwhelm you with technology or unnecessary features. It doesn't try to look like a luxury hotel. Instead, it gives you exactly what you need: comfort, good design, and reliability. And it keeps the price lower than minivans in the same category. That's why so many people say this is one of the cheapest real camper vans worth buying. It's not cheap in quality. It's cheap in the sense that you're getting real value. And that's what stands out. You get a camper that's easy to drive, easy to maintain, and perfect for beginners or experienced travelers who want something simple and dependable. You don't need advanced driving skills. You don't need a huge budget, and you don't need extra accessories just to enjoy it. Picture this: parking at a quiet lake, opening the rear doors and relaxing on that comfortable bed with fresh air coming in. Or cooking a warm meal after a long drive with everything you need right within reach. Or waking up in the middle of a forest with nothing but silence around you. That's exactly the lifestyle this camper is built for. Simple, peaceful, and affordable. So, after spending time exploring the Papion PC 6.0, it's easy to understand why so many people are talking about it. It brings comfort, smart design, and real practicality at a price that makes sense. If you want an affordable entry into van life or a reliable travel companion that doesn't empty your wallet, this camper absolutely deserves your attention. And that's the full look at the Papion PC 6.0. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to stick around because I review a lot of campers, motorhomes, and RV stories that the industry doesn't always talk about. If you want more honest breakdowns, more real-world reviews, and more budget-friendly options, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about this camper or want me to compare it with another model, drop your comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the road, and I'll see you in the next video.